So I'd say the first thing is really to learn the basics in programming and knowing what is a variable, what is a function, what are parameters, what kind of different language there is in the industry. It's really learning everything there is to the basics to after that go more in depth into a specific language or a specific subject you want to learn about. So the first thing I would do is go and learn on specific websites. So whether it's video on YouTube, Udemy, or Coursera, or text content on platforms like Code Academy. Those could be good outlets of information just to get started learning. And then after that, once you've gotten the basics figured out, I'd suggest just using this knowledge and go and apply it to specific side projects that you can create. So whether it's a to-do app, messaging app, whatever you want to use, and whatever part of the computer programming industry that interests you.